Hey folks, please stay tuned till the end of the video for the full reveal of the Sluban Pacific Rim Uprising Gipsy Avenger. I did have a few problems with it towards the end of the speed build, but I go into that at the end here. Alright, so stay tuned. I do fully reveal it. And stay tuned for the review. I do mention in the next part here, which is the original opening part, that there was supposed to be a review right attached to this, but I decided to separate them. Alright, so stay tuned for that as well. Thanks! What up folks, welcome back to Ultrazilla Toys. Today I have a speed build of this Sluban Pacific Rim Uprising Gipsy Avenger. This is a little brick toy. I believe out of Hong Kong. I could be wrong about that.
Can I see the back again?
Yeah, and I'm here with Ultrazilla Jr.
You can get this one and this one, this one, this one.
Exactly. You could get Saber Athena and Guardian Bravo and Bracer Phoenix. Bracer Phoenix? Something like that. And the only one I got was Gipsy Avenger. I got this a little while back now, and figured it's a good time to start building it. We're in the living room here. Yep. So, you know, I'm just gonna... I don't really do this type of stuff, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. That's why it's speed and whatever, so it's not really my thing, but I really wanted to get this.
Hard.
It might be hard, especially for us. I don't really know how to do this stuff. It does come with a little sticker sheet to sticker up here, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baggies, 461 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just showing you guys like what, you know, the book looks like first, and then at the end we're gonna do it like I'm gonna do a normal karate action Ultrazilla Jr. And I'll do a regular review at the end of this. Alright guys, so that's it for now. I'm gonna get this all prepped and we're gonna start the build.
I can show you something.
Alright gang, all 460 something pieces have been separated onto this coffee table here.
Prime in the video.
Can you put Optimus Prime in the video? No, it doesn't belong.
Hi now, I am Optimus Prime, and I got each one.
I don't know if Optimus Prime eats phones. Maybe he does actually. But this is a lot of pieces, guys. Ultrazilla Jr. brought in some apropos characters right here, so pretty cool.
I saw Optimus Prime eats Bumblebee.
No, he does not. Anyway, now we're gonna start the build, but Ultrazilla Jr. is probably going to bed soon, so I am gonna be here. I do have some coffee, some water.
I get your coffee.
No, you're not. And we're gonna get going, so let's do this thing. Okay, gang, I think that ends this portion of the speed build. As I was putting it together, this thing just started falling apart at every which angle, and I cannot seem to get it back together. But I will. So, like I said, ending off the speed portion of this, I'm gonna fix this up. What's left to make here, all the pieces were made of the main body. What was left to make was his plasma cannon, and that's it. So I will not do that as part of the speed build. I'll just get it together. Oh yeah? Yeah, I'm just letting people know it's started falling apart. So I'm going to put it together and then I'm going to review it whenever that might happen. Alright, thanks for watching this part.